Hi, good morning and welcome to Electronica 2022. I'm Andy Pratt with What's New in Electronics TV. This morning I've been joined by Zeev from Cybord. Good morning, Zeev.
Thank you. Good morning.
Tell me, what's Cybord doing here?
Cybord is actually bringing into this exhibition the concept of electronic analytics, components of electronic analytics. The concept that we are actually checking all the components that are going to be placed on PCBs. One thing is in this industry is that people are using a lot of components, trillions a day, but practically it's all based on the good sourcing and the good supply chain. It's not based on zero trust.
Right.
And what we found out is that we are able to check 100% of the electronic components that are placed on boards.
Right.
And we are actually in our booth here showing how we do it in few stages of production on the incoming warehouse, where we check reels before they're actually placed on the SMT machines, how we do it during the production in the SMT machines and with the AOI machines. So by doing that, we actually give the customer the ability to check all the components and to have a good record of all the components which are placed on the board.
Yeah.
And you may ask me why is that important? Because today in our industry we need two things. We need credibility, reliability, and we need traceability.
Right.
Today the traceability that the industry provides is only based on the data that's provided by the machines. We are doing visual traceability. We see each component, we place each component to the correct board, and all those records are staying for life or until end of life of this board.
Right, okay.
So instead of doing just metadata processing, we're doing visual processing. Along that, we found corrosion, we found defects, we found all the kind of counterfeit. Practically where we started is from counterfeit.
Right.
Our founder actually built a very prestigious system that failed practically in the field after $1 billion investment. And when they went into investigation why it failed because a 4-dated capacitor,
Right.
which is 1 or 2 cents out
Okay.
of the board.
Right.
And that's the point where Eyal Weiss decided that this is going to be the next thing.
Okay, great. So tell me a bit more about the company. Tell me a bit more about Cybord. Where are you based and how long have you been going?
Cybord is now it's about 3 years old now.
Okay.
Yep. We are based in Tel Aviv.
Yeah.
We are about 25 people in Tel Aviv and about 12 people around the world.
Right, okay.
Ukraine and other places in the world.
All right.
And we already have nice partners.
Yeah.
You can see us in the booth, and very prestigious partners, and processing today around 250 million components a month.
Right, okay.
Which is
Wow.
the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a tip. It's nothing.
Yeah.
Thousands of boards passing through our scanning system, and we serve our customers.
Great. And where do you see things going over the next sort of 2 or 3 years?
I think it will become a standard.
Right.
One of the things that today we are helping the IPC and SAE is to understand that our concept that we see a visual of every component and actually check the packaging of every component
Yeah.
enables us to very fast understand if this component is counterfeit or not.
Right, okay.
And we don't need to go in depth on the component itself, X-ray, etc., to understand it's not produced in the right position
Right.
by the package.
Yeah.
And that's our pattern.
Great.
So if we do our job good, this will become a standard. And it's very easy standard because it's software only, no hardware at all.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, that's wonderful. Okay, well, I wish you all the best for Electronica.
Thank you very much.
You're going to be here all week, are you?
We'll be here all week, yep.
Yeah, well, all the best for Electronica, and good luck in the future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.